Right, guys, I'm working on this Biasi, yeah? Biasi, I'll tell you that in a bit. Anyway, working on this. So what we got, right, is I've got that closed. I'm going to open that, yeah? And look at the flow rate on this. Look at that. Really, really low. So in this film, right, we're going to get a flow rate on this while up and running. I know the cold water is amazingly good. Look at that. So the pressure is really good in the property, but the hot water is giving a problem. Right, now you probably think it's probably this tap only. It's not. All the taps are the same. They're giving a flow rate which is really low. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this part out, and there's a filter at the back of that, and I think that's blocked up. We're going to have to at least first we'll get to that, and then we're going to find out what's going on with it. This is brass part. That we're going to take that out. Hopefully we don't have to take the pump out with it. Okay. Right, I'm just gonna see the disc, the blue one. It's a bit different when I got it out. I gotta take this out. Once it's out, right, hopefully I'm just gonna clean it out and it should all be fine. So, to taking it out, you're gonna bust anyway, so. Right. So, got it out. Got the heat exchanger out. Now that I got it all out, I might as well just clean it for them. Okay. Right, guys. I had to take that out. So now, hopefully, the flow rate's going to be much better. Okay. So guys, this is going to go in first. You tell the dirty water, right, and your cold in there. So that's the way it's going to go in. So everything's going to go in reverse order now. So what we're going to do now is, yeah, just make sure the rubbers are still on. They won't come off. So that's the way it goes in now. This baby is going to go in next. This baby, yeah, but I need both my hands because it's got to go into the pump as well. So I'm going to switch the camera off and it's going to go into the pump. I need both my hands for that. Right, guys, after so much persuasion, I've got that pipe part in. Right, and then I think everything else should be easy after that. I'm just going to use my both hands to wiggle it in, and then we're just going to clip it in. Right, that's in. That's in. And now the clip goes into. Hopefully the clip goes in now. Okay, there's the clip. I'll push that in a bit. Both of these. To loosen that one as well. So I can have some slackness on the pump to put that in, to take that out. So that's in there. Tighten them up. Right, guys, after wiggling around with it, that's in, the clip's in now. Okay. And then now I'm just going to put the heat exchanger in and then the PRV. Right. That side's in. Just going to screw. And now just going to do this part. Are they here then?
What sounds of it?
Probably normal anyway.
Huh?
Right, that's in. Tight. And that's tight now. So the heat exchanger is in. Just got the PRV to do, and we're gonna be right. The PRV is in. All I gotta do is clip it in now. So the PRV clip's gonna go in there. Right there. Okay. Right, clips in. The PRV is in now, yeah. So the moment of truth here. I nearly opened it. I'm not realizing that. So let's just do that. Just tighten that, them two up, then we'll open the valves.
Hi Eddie, this is my boiler.
It's not my fault. I ain't got a fucking clue about it.
We tightened that. It's all open now, yeah. Okay, central heating is Not yet, but
What day, right?
this is. So it's open now. Let's find out. Yo, the pressure's a lot better now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire it up in a bit and we're gonna test it out. What was that?
Did you do 28 man road?
Nah.
Oh no.
Oh, you got another. You got another one.
No, I'm thinking. Oh no, that was a long time ago, a couple of years ago. That was.
So you guys are using another engine here.
What do you?
That's it now. I'm
He's
talk
got
to
a new boiler not long back.
I'm talk to him now. I say this. I'm
Don't
gonna
talk to me now.
I say you've been using someone else. Right, that's sorted then. Yeah, it's not leaking, so it's ready to fire it up in a bit. Right, guys, we're ready to switch it on now. On there. Right, obviously we took some water. We're going to repressurize it. Okay, that's another issue now.
I think I better go before he leaves anymore. Wise ass. Catch you later. Thank you.
No worries. Take care. Right, guys, I forgot to connect the water pressure switch and the domestic hot water turbine. I'm just connecting them on. Then we're going to test it out again. That is connected. That. Where the hell is it? There it is. Right.
Might as well. I'm just ordering another 40 by 40 quid. That's how much I paid for mine. Yeah, come on. Oh, that's professional. What was that?
Right, guys, it's all working fine now, yeah? Everything inside there, I'm not going to open it all up. Everything inside there is clipped in, no leaks, nothing, yeah? So, all there. Right, and the temperature there. Now, if you look at that, and the flow rate now, look at that, fully. But it's more than enough, right? So, down there. And the water's fired up, and the temperature's going up. Okay, it's going to take about, it's gradually going up now. And that's getting hot. So it's all good now. Right, guys, sorted this Biasi out. The flow rate on the domestic hot water side was really low. So what I had to do is, right, take the filter out of it. It clogs up. Well, that's why I was advised by the manufacturer, just take it out. Once I've done that, the flow rate's brilliant, hot water is working fine, and the customer's happy. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham, boiler fix.